woke up in London yesterday, found myself in the city near Piccadilly. Don't really know how I got here. Got some pictures on my phone, new names and numbers that I don't know, address of places like Abbey Road. Day turns to night, night turns to whatever we want. We're young enough to say, oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This could really be the good life. Good life. Say yo, get this feeling that you can't fight, like this city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good life.
My friends in New York, I say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado. Sometimes there's airplanes I can't jump out. Sometimes there's issues that don't work out. We have got our stories, but please tell me what there's to complain about. When you're happy like a fool, let it take you over. When everything is out, you gotta take it in. Oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This could really be the good life, good life. Say yo, get this feeling that you can't fight, like the city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good life.
Our goal is to build a state-of-the-art bird aviary with real live trees and plants inside for the birds to have a natural habitat. With your contribution, you can be part of a legacy. Your $1 donation could be the turning point for a lifetime of peace for these beautiful creatures. Please make the choice to make a difference today. These birds are counting on us. Our voice, our actions, and our love. Thank you.
Get this feeling that you can't fight, like the city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good life.